All right, so I have this little 28 rugs from Whiskey River. It is a flaming birch or pearly birch, whatever. It's got, it's got a nice curl to it, kind of a big, big wave. It's nice, pretty. I'm hanging this sweet ENS wedge on it. The year has been mucked up. It's a pearly, sweet wedge. It's a 3 1/4, I believe. Let's see. It's our actual weight. Yeah, it's right about 3 1/4. Nice axe. Someone put it in some, I don't know, vinegar or rust remover. So it's got no patina. Maybe they just sanded it. I'm not sure. But super cool wedge. Perfect fit for this rugs. I wanted something, since the patina was gone, I thought I'd do something light or like, a little more flashy. So I got this curly birch handle, sanded it to 600 right now. It's nice and smooth. I think pretty good figure in it. It's got some nice shimmer, especially along that back part. I don't know if, hopefully that's appreciable. But I've never done birch with Aqua fortis, so we're gonna give that a try. I have some Aqua fortis here. I made up with some raw iron a little while back, so let's have at it. So we apply this and we'll let it sit for 15 or 20 minutes. Ooh, it's already starting to come out. That's pretty, man, already. Probably would have showed up just with oil and been really pretty, but I like that nice little bit of darkness it gets from that reaction with the tannins in the wood. We're gonna see how well it reacts, in fact, and then oil it up after it's all done. I'll probably hit it with another 600 grit sandpaper when it's all done, or maybe before I dry it. Yeah, you got to hit it with the heat gun to make that reaction happen. That's pretty. Well, it's finally sanded up here. Didn't realize that. Oh well. We'll see if we can get it a little sanded down after this treatment. I'm not sure why you really don't need to do it under the axe head itself, but whatever. This is gonna be pretty. All right, let's let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Come back, see how she looks. Hit it with the heat gun, watch it transform, and we'll oil it down, hang it.
24 hours later.
All right, now that it's been 24 hours of the Aqua fortis sitting on this handle, drying, reacting with the tannins in the wood, let's hit it with the heat gun, see what we got. Let's see, what's the best way to show this here? Probably, yeah. turning a nice brown color. What we got so far? Alright. Man. Alright, I got a little 600 grit here. We're just gonna lightly give this a little almost feel like it's too much for this. It's 220, of course. I might hit this with another. Actually, I think I'm going to, now that we did that, I want to smooth this out up here a little bit more. I'm going to hit it with some more Aqua fortis. We're going to see where that goes. I thought it was taking too much off, too much scratching with the, for 600. It's because it wasn't. Let me get the actual 600. It's pretty. See where it goes with another coat. What do we got to lose? Mm-hmm. All right. Let's heat this up. We're going to use polymerized linseed oil. This is going to be fantastic.
Actually, though, come on.
Actually. But actually.
I'm serious. Fix
But
my
hold
phone.
on,
Here.
wait. Hold on, wait.
Here, fix it.
Dude, I'm making a video. This
I know.
is recording, is it not?
It is.
So quit screwing it up. Mm-mm. Is that delicious or what? Oh. 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 Oh, man. Bro. Do you see this?
I do. Who's that for?
Me.
Hmm?
Me? Yes.
What axe is it for?
A beautiful wedge over here. Show ya. A main axe, of course. Avi. Dude, how good is this? Seriously. How good is this?
That's amazing.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Quit fucking up my video. Gosh darn it. So good. Right there. Hey, the 3 people that are gonna watch this are not gonna be able to see my axe with your wood shaving snow. All right, I think we need to hang this baby. Tell me that's not good. Tell me it's not good.
It's not good.
You're fucking lying. It's done. "28-inch rugs replica from Whiskey River, flaming birch." This is gorgeous. Treated with Aqua fortis, sanded to about 600. Aqua fortis ×2, sanded with 800. Spalted, what is that? Beech. It's a spalted beech wedge. It's an ENS, tempered by old Pearly pulsifier, that P. I can't identify a year because it got all buggered up from people hitting on it. It's 3 1/4, I believe. Gorgeous wedge. Man, it's so nice. I love this axe. I hope that curl's coming through on camera because this is just stunning. I have another handle like this. I think darn near the same. I think it is a Rugs. It's on a fire axe that I was gifted for my birthday. And it is beautiful as well. I think it's even more curly than this. I'll have to show you. Anyways, there it is.